Hi guys, this is JSC Gaming. So, we're going to be playing some Minecraft. We're going to get on Hypixel. Connecting the server. So I'm here going to be playing with my buddy Johnny. So, we are horrible at this game. So, and this is our first video, so wish us luck, people. That was him. So, we're going to be playing some Bed Wars. Let me send him an invite. Let's wait for him to accept. Okay, he joined the party. You ready for this, Johnny? I don't think we're in the same lobby.
Well, get in the same lobby.
He's telling me to get in his lobby, so I guess I will.
Okay, good.
Johnny, one thing, don't scream so much, okay? Okay, so let's see if I can find him. Come to the main lobby, Johnny. Yes. He just asked if he should be the silent guy, and he definitely should. Right, guys? Okay. Oh, look, there he is! Okay, done with the messy stuff. Guys, there's a grass block staring at me. Makes me a little scared, but let's get in this game. We got this. So we are in the lobby. We're going to be playing on map Crypt. It's going to be hard. We're probably going to die like first. By the way, we are great builders. We build like this. So, buddy! So we're going to be trying to rush. It's going to go good. We're probably going to die very soon. You get the TNT. Let's both get 16 iron. Or not. Whatever you want, Mr. Fish. Getting some wool. Okay, so Red just... Red went to rush us and they just fell off. Smart people. Probably like as good as us. You coming? Oh. Okay. I see now. I'm just gonna go with them. Ah! Well, bye-bye, world! Oh, we're probably dead here. So, good luck, Johnny. How's it going over there? Ah, no! See, as you can tell, we are both noobs. Let's go kill him, Johnny. Or should we just hide at Pink's? Because Pink is gone. Ah! Ah! Now why? Well, guys, first YouTube video has been great so far. Just ready for our next game. It's map Babylon, our favorite map ever. So, me and Johnny, we've only actually won a duo once. I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's being a pufferfish. By the way, guys, my skin is Steve. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Well, I have enough. Can I see your gold? Okay, Okay, so they're already coming to us, Johnny. He's a fast builder. Where is he? Oh, jeez. Bye! So long, people. This always happens to us when we're just getting warmed up. Because we're great. We're great at Bed Wars. It's our specialty, as you can tell. They're above us. They're above us. Well, so long, people. Ah, TNT! They're both almost dead! I killed both of them! You ready? Watch this. I'm gonna do it. He sees me. Well, so long, people. Ah! Second game. We got this. So, we're gonna go to our third. Captain Puffer was trying to kill me as spectator. Makes me sad. Okay, for this next event, we're gonna see how much wool we can get in our chest. Let's hope we don't get rushed. There's my buddy, my fishy. Let's play tag. Not it. I'm coming for you. I got you! Hey! Got you. Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me. Hey! I wonder where he is. So, we're here. We're gonna do the wool contest. And by the way, we're gonna cover our bed with wood, though. You got that? You got that, Puffer? No? Yes? No. Once we have 4, let's go cover our bed. 4 gold, by the way, not iron. What? How did you have 4? I think he's sad that I blew up his stuff. We're gonna cover our whole platform with wool. Hey, no. Oh, shoot, Aqua. Okay, so we are doing an amazing technique. It's beautiful. Put in the comments if our bed is beautiful. Did you have a golden apple? The silent man has his secrets. Whee! Ow, I'm gonna take more fall damage than damage from people. Whee! The bed's so beautiful. Oh. Run for our lives. We're all gonna die. Oh, got stuck. Well, I killed one of them guys. It's always worth it, right? Elimination for one guy. In my opinion, that's good. As you can tell so far, we are a great combination. We're both amazing. So, yep. Wait, what is this? What is this? It's a villager on each side. I missed the thing, so now I have no gold. Oh. Okay. So I'm gonna defend this time. My buddy here's gonna rush. Can I have your gold? Guess he's putting it in the chest. Nice man. Nice man. Let's get some endstone, some wood, and a mix. I'm great. Johnny, should I do the water strat? Nod up or nod down? Wait, what? Nod or no? Yes? Johnny, what are you saying? What are you telling me? My brain does not tell. My brain does not know what you are showing me, Johnny. Okay, so this bed is looking beautiful. So I'm gonna do one of my building techniques. It's gonna be called the water strat. Beautiful name. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some more clay, terracotta. Nice, Johnny. Already gotten emeralds. Okay. Oh shoot, pink! You didn't see that coming, eh? Go get him, Johnny. Holy cow, I have a lot of stuff. Get some more hardened clay, some terracotta, and some wood. A little bit, I'm gonna see what our fellow quiet person has put in the chest. What was that? I just heard a TNT explosion, and they are coming for us. That seems nice. I just almost fell off. That would have been very embarrassing. Oh, I just killed him. I think that's the best thing we've done in this video so far. That was great, guys. Bet you guys are wondering why I have not done water strat yet. Aqua now? Do these teams just hate us? Nice. Johnny, look. Nice. Double kill. Double kill. $51. Iron. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bunch of wool. And Johnny, if you could start getting water buckets. Is anybody here? Somebody's coming, so I'm gonna put this stuff in the chest until we're secure from these people. Oh! Guys, I think I just figured out how to fly.